Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay, before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Asy Al Harits, and I'm from English Language Education Department in Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta. So, I have a assignment from my lecturer that the assignment is about interviewing someone that had experience in become an interpreter or interpreter. So, before we start our interview, can you introduce yourself, sir?
Okay, my name is Andika Fitra. I'm from English Language Education Department in private university in Yogyakarta.
Okay, thank you, sir. So, uh, before we start, I want to ask you this question. Do you have an experience become an interpreter or you are interpreter?
Absolutely, I have experience become interpreter.
Okay, thank you. So let's go to the first question. So the first question is, do you have experience in interpreting someone?
Yes,
Okay, could you tell me a short story about your experience in interpreter someone, interpreters foreigner?
okay. First, uh, my first experience become interpreting someone is when I'm in my cousin motorbike rent. They're
Mhm,
a foreigner from India, and the other one is from Europe.
mhm.
So I doing some interpreting what they are say, so we can make a good transaction on the rental.
Okay, thank you. So, do you have any experience when you interpreting someone?
Oh yeah, I have some in Prambanan. It was
Okay.
2014.
Mhm.
So I have a foreigner from Asia, maybe from Japan. So she was lost from their tour guide,
Mm,
and when she asked to local people, they don't understand what her meaning, what
mm,
her talking about. So I help her to explain the her meaning to local people in the information post, so she can meet again with her tour guide.
okay, thank you for your sharing your experience, sir. So, I would like to jump to the second questions. It's do you what the advantages become of being interpreter?
Okay, the advantages for being interpreter. The first is you can increase your comfortability,
Mhm,
and then you have more knowledge on interpret something.
mhm.
So and the last, you can have many relation from being an interpreter.
Okay, thank you. Is that being interpreter improve your speaking skill or not?
Of course, being interpreter can improve someone's speaking skill, because the main skill that I use is speaking.
Okay, thank you for your answer. So we going to the next question. So when you being interpreter or interpreting someone, do you have any find difficulties or challenges
Challenges,
of
of course. The first is our challenges is nervous, because it's your first time to meet foreigner,
yeah, it's
and
normally
the second, the challenges is know their accent from their country. Sometimes you
mm,
meet Russian people, they can say English well, and you must open some pocketbook or dictionary to find the meaning of the one if local people
Okay.
don't understand.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir. So we're going to the last question. So last question is about do you have any strategies to be a good interpreter?
So strategy to being a good interpreter, uh, number one is responsibility.
It's
Yeah,
good.
and the second is to being to for being a good interpreter, you must study more language to improve your speaking skill and your ability. And the last
Okay.
is you must believe in yourself.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Maybe that's all. That's all from me, sir. Thank you for your time and thank you for the opportunity. Uh, my name is Muhammad Selarit. Thank you. See you and have a good time.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, we're going to the review session. So this is my first experience when interviewing someone by online. So like we use the Zoom application to do interview. So yeah, because this COVID-19, we have to doing interview by online. So my review is Mr. Andika has a lot of experience when he interpreting a foreigner. So I think it's a good for him to improve his speaking skill, or it's good for him because it will be improve his confidence and then speaking skills. From the interview, Mr. Andika has a good grammatical, but he's doing it slowly. It's a good for him too. Like we don't have to fast when we going to speak in English. Just focus to the accuracy. That's mean it's good. So yeah,